He's out of town.
But
He
he'll
won't
be back.
know anything about it.
I talked with him a couple of times last night, and I put in a good word for y'all.
Thank you.
No problem.
I'm supposed to meet with him first thing Monday, so.
Yep. Yeah, I talked to my mom last night and all that kind of good stuff.
High ceilings. Kitchen?
Are y'all from Alabama?
Yep. I am.
Are you a
Well,
Tide
she
fan
is
or
too.
Auburn fan?
Alright, man.
Alright.
By the way, you follow.
Crimson Tide. Laundry area.
Pencil. Last this idea?
Big room. Garage converted into a room. And then let's go outside in the backyard. I think this door is going to be open, so it's kind of hard to get out. Backyard.
Want me to clean this? Clarice?
Dining room again. Alright, so one more walk through. I think they're going to take that out. Little living room. Yes.